Good morning, everybody. My name's Garth, and I'm from High Service Gas. And I just want to show you how to install a gas bottle correctly. First things first, always make sure that you shut off your valve so that there's no back pressure and nothing going to leak out. Then after that, we turn off our bottles. So once you've done it, we turn off the gas, make sure the bottles are off, and now we can begin replacing it. What we're going to do is we're going to have a quick little look over here, and we look at the pigtail. In this case, we have two bottles on the section. It has something called a changeover device, so you can change between bottles without removing bottles. And at the bottom of this, you'll see a little O-ring. Important thing to do is to check it, that it's not perished or cracked. Or sometimes when you're taking the bottle out, the O-ring kind of gets left behind the bottle, in the bottle, should I say. And it's quite important to make sure it's on, as when you're connecting the bottle, your gas will be leaking out of there, and it causes a safety risk. So we're all good here. Everything looks fine. Your bottle's still off. We can begin to change the bottle.